So basically, what I'm getting to here is in this journey to like create this app, or the best news app, we had to start thinking about it and trying to understand our users and how they interact with their content. And I mean, the editors, you guys have been doing this this is what the company's built on. You've been doing it really well, very successfully. And for us, in the engineering team, it's definitely a first to really start like thinking about users and so how do we do that? How do we like translate this editor intuition into a computer algorithm, right? So what we do, so Sean said earlier, we start to create these models, and these are based on like what we're trying to do is we're trying to capture like real world scenarios and characteristics and into little algorithms, and we have lots of them, and they all work together to slightly influence the rank of the orders that you get, right? So just to give you an example of some of these, this would be like your interest model. So as you can see, this would be like you're starting out, we don't know much about you, and then as you start browsing, we see a little bit more, like some patterns starting to use, and eventually we can see that these are your clear interests, You definitely like a lot of these topics. Another one might be a time-based model. So this would be every hour of the week, and the lighter would show you when you interacted more with this content. And well, that's quite interesting. What's really interesting is when you apply these together, and that's where you get to things like you can see at certain times you might have different interests, and stacking them basically creates quite a great effect. But yeah, we're still in the early days. We've got a data science evolved sitting over there. He's joined our team, and we're getting another one starting soon, hopefully. And they're basically meticulously going through all of this data and looking for trends and, like making a hypothesis and, trying to add more signals to try and prove these things. And essentially, we're creating more models to try and simulate what we believe. So basically, what they're doing is turning this raw data into something more like this, a little bit more structured, a little bit easier to understand. And as we're getting like deeper understanding of our users, we're going to create better models and add more signals. And this cycle, basically what we're doing is, and this is the problem with big data, is you ask a question and then it only leads you to the next question. So, you have to go through this process. And this is basically the cycle that will continuously improve our algorithm and eventually get us to that point of the goal of like to give you what you want before you ask for it, to show you something that you're interested in that you didn't even know you were interested in,